So here's an update for the big regroup build. Moving right along. Small kit, so they don't take much time to get somewhere. I actually got everything with a base coat or a first coat. Now I'm starting to do the masking like I did with the cab and then the trailer top. Now in this kit it suggests to paint everything that green color, and it looks too much like a toy for me, and so I had to do something different. So I am going to do the steel base, green body, and then a silver top. The roof for the cab is also silver, so it should look pretty darn good and match all the way across. The gas tanker is pretty much done. I have to glue those two halves together, do a clear coat, and then I got some other, before I do that I'm going to do some detail work on that. So that's still apart, so do a little bit of detail work on that and then clear it. Here I end up breaking the pins for the door, so I end up using a wire. So that way you can see inside. It's got a couple valves, and those are spots for the hoses come out. For the bottom I used red for the 90s to give a little bit more contrast. I don't know if in these trucks at that time if they would have used those red pipes like there was out there. I got the fire extinguisher painted. So really I got some subtle details on this to do yet. Some weathering and get the tires on, and then that part will be pretty much done. I do have to put the bumper on. The bumper is silver too, so like the pipes would have been a nice contrast to sticking out if I did it green or something, but I didn't. So I'm gonna have to try to do weathering a little different on the pipes. Maybe I'll make them look a little bit rusty, and then make the bottom of the tanker look just dirty, so black and brown on that, and then more of an orange on the pipes. They give it some different colors. And then I'm going to do a black wash on top. Might do a little bit of staining where the ports are. This green really is not curing too well, but oh well. I'll get it to a certain point, and then once I clear it I won't have to worry about it anymore. But that's it so far on that. I got all the other parts basic paint, but that's pretty boring. So until next time guys, I'll see you then. Bye.